स्वभावचिन्मयानन्दं कृपापूर्णं जगत्पतिं हरिषड्वर्गजेतारं नित्यानन्दगुरुं भजे स्वभावचिन्मयानन्दम्.
What is your view about organ donation? Now I wanted to put this in record. Organ donation is no way disturbing your enlightenment or your spiritual growth. Many people ask me, after somebody dies, if the organs are donated, will that soul have enlightenment or moksha? Will it not disturb the flow of life? Nothing. No way it will be disturbed. You are not going to wait and see whether your eye, everything is properly burnt or properly buried. See the greed. Even after death is not leaving. The possessiveness over the body, even after death it is not leaving. No way it will affect your further journey. Actually, in 3 kshana you take the next body. You will not even be attending your funeral. Understand? By the time you will be attending your birthday celebration somewhere. So you will not even be there for your funeral. So I completely acknowledge, welcome, encourage any organ donation. I wanted this to be on record for our devotees' sake, at least for our tradition. There was a lot of discussion. Even the other day I was reading some article in some magazines and books related to Hinduism. Fools were saying that the karma of that person who donates the organ will go to the new person. Nothing. Karma is not in your head. Karma is in the system which is operating the head. You are donating only a hardware, not software. If an hardware of some computer is taken and fixed in you, you will not have the same software or memory in this new computer. So only if the software is transmitted, you will have the same memory. Mind is software, body is hardware. Donating hardware or the spare parts of the hardware will no way transmit the software. No way transmit the karmas. Karmas are related to software. So be very clear about it.